Tramp, are you going to do your tricks? Tramp! Yeah, you're supposed to wait until I tell you to speak, right? Are you waiting for me to tell you to speak? Oh, now you're sitting and speaking? Are you going to jump too?
Certainly getting up and showering and getting together is actually much easier.
What about speak? Did you forget to speak? Get over there.
She says, dim the lights before going to bed. Even if you're reading, away from you just to get your body more.
That's not shaking. That's not shake. Get over there. Now sit still. Sit still. Sit still. Are you still? You gonna wait for me to tell you what to do? Okay, speak. And jump. And sit. Good boy.